Hey, you breathe air every day. You must read the Quran every day. Allah. And I've said this before, and I'm saying to new people, I'm repeating myself, and some of you let me do it. I'm finishing. Give me about a minute. I know your legs are tired, but you need this. If you never come back here again, you cannot say that you were not helped by the Quran. You won't be able to say that. You eat your food, and your food knows to go to the liver. The food knows to go to the lung. The food knows to go to the spleen. The food. You don't have to stand there when you eat your food and say go to the spleen. Now you go to the, you don't have to do that. Because Allah has given His ruh, His spirit, putting the shade to everything. And everything knows where to go in your body. If you can understand that simple analogy I just gave you, then understand the Quran when you read it. Its words know where to go to your aspirations inside you, to your drives inside you, to your motivations inside you, to the logic inside you, to the rational thinking inside you. The Quran has the ability to do that. Allah. May Allah forgive me for talking long, but I know khutbahs in most places no longer than 20 minutes, 30 minutes. But I told you, I'm a surgeon. And some surgery, I had some surgeries I was on it for 14 hours. Okay? And the patient survived. So when I talk long, most of you I don't see you but once a week. Or once a month. So I have to do a serious surgery. I'm going to be resurrected on the day of resurrection with you. Now Allah, I'm going to ask you, did I give you the Quran and the Sunnah of Muhammad? And then Allah going to ask me, did I do the best? And Allah going to ask me, did I speak so that you thought I was smart aleck? Did I speak so you give me some money? I know the teachings of Muhammad the Prophet. So I see that. And I'd rather Allah question me that I spoke too long than Allah to say you didn't give them no information. I'd rather have that as a punishment. Lord. So I hope you understand me. And I pray, Allah, that you have greater insight, greater drive, and understand your Quran. Read it every day. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب.
الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Come on, fill the front row. Come, fill the front row. And put your heels on the line and make it easy. Put your heels on, not your toes. You should feel your brother. You got space on your side. See spaces. You shouldn't have space. You should be next to your brother. He took a bath. I don't smell it. Walk in brother. Allah Akbar. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. والتين والزيتون وطور سينين وهذا البلد الأمين. لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم أجر غير ممنون. فلا يكذبوك بعد بالدين أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين. الله أكبر. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد الله أكبر سمع الله لمن حمده الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر السلام عليكم ورحمة الله السلام عليكم ورحمة الله اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد تقبل